colors and they look so yum. I swear, I just want to eat them. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's been a really long while since we last did a proper haul video. And this haul video is going to be very different because recently I ordered a few products from various Instagram stores, and this was my first time when I was actually shopping properly from Instagram stores. So I thought, why not put them all in this video, make a haul out of it, and show you guys what all have I purchased and how exactly have the products turned out. The one thing that I'm loving about these Instagram stores, which made me buy all of these products, is the creativity of the business owners. Like, they create such beautiful and creative products that I didn't even think of will be existing. And secondly, that the brands all over Instagram are so responsive on DMs. They help you out, they tell you their best sellers, and they reply very quickly. So without taking a lot of your time, let's quickly begin this haul and let me show you all that I've ordered from Instagram. The first store is Prix.co, and their tagline says, "Your one stop for pretty little things." I really love the tagline, and I really loved how aesthetically pleasing is their feed. They sell things like beautiful stickers, washi tapes, and these are exactly the two things that I've ordered from this brand. I've not yet opened this. The packaging looks absolutely beautiful. Let's open and see what's inside. This is the package of the stickers. I have ordered a purplish blue sort of stickers, and it consists of 4 sheets. Let me open it. Okay, so this is the sheet number 1, sheet number 2, sheet number 3, and sheet number 4. So these are the 4 sheets of stickers that I've got from the Prix store. I'll mention the prices here or here somewhere so that you can check. Also, all these products will be mentioned in the description, all the links and all the Instagram stores, in case you want to buy from them. So the one thing that I really loved about this brand is that these things like stickers and washi tapes, if you go up on other websites like Amazon, these things will be so expensive, but I found them at a very reasonable rate and a very good quality of these stickers on their store. Number 2, the brand was very responsive, and they heard what exactly did I need. I wanted something purplish because I'm starting an art journal from the next month, which is the next year also, and I'll very soon show you what exactly is going to be in my art journal. So I wanted a purplish blue theme to my journal, which is why I've ordered these, and they exactly fulfilled my demand. The second product that I've ordered is a pack of washi tapes from this brand. So this is the pack of washi tapes. This again is in bluish shades. So these are 8 of these washi tapes in different shades and sizes. They are very beautiful, and I absolutely cannot wait to try them out. And I feel the texture of the tape is also very good. Hopefully this works also well in my art journal. So a big thumbs up to the brand. The next store that I've ordered from is called the Sass Bar. This brand makes dessert soaps, and I swear the concept of dessert soap was so new for me that when I saw their ad on Instagram, I was like, I have to try this out, that how exactly do these soaps work and how exactly do they smell. And I swear when the package came, it was smelling so good. Even now, oh my god, the smell, I can't even tell you, it's beautiful. And also a big thumbs up to the packaging. I really love it. And oh my god, wow, these soaps look absolutely beautiful. There are 6 of these soaps in 6 different colors, and they look so yum. I swear, I just want to eat them. But Yes, this whole concept of dessert soaps basically was so new to me, and I really wanted to try this out, which is why I ordered these. Let us just try one of these soaps out. I really don't want to try it because it will ruin the shape, but let's just try one of these and see how do they work. The next brand that I want to talk about is called Pretty Little Chattels, and they have a very cute Instagram feed. They sell jewelry basically. I found rings and earrings on their page and a few pendants also, if I'm not wrong. And I've ordered these earrings which I am wearing right now. And you know, I'm wearing these earrings right now. I'm clearly obsessed. I mean, look at these earrings. They look so beautiful. And the second product that I've ordered from them is this beautiful ring. This is the ring. Now this comes in an adjustable size, so you can adjust it. But the only disadvantage I have is that I have very tiny fingers. So even the smallest size of this ring doesn't fit me and falls down. But otherwise the ring is very pretty. I definitely recommend you, if you want to buy some sort of quirky jewelry and if you are a fan of these kinds of quirky pieces, you should definitely check this page out. They have some really beautiful stuff. The next Instagram store that I have ordered from is the Magic Trunk, and I've ordered 4 products from them. The one thing that I found really good about the brand is that they were very responsive on Instagram. I had a certain issue with the payment procedure, but they helped me out. And the second thing, that all these products that I've ordered from them, they are fragile. So they sent the package very securely. It had a fragile sticker on it, because of which I believe that the products are completely fine. Another thing that the brand will tell you is that make an unboxing video while you are opening your package, because otherwise if there's any damage in the product, the brand will not return or replace. So it's better that you make an unboxing video so that you and the brand both have ease in the return or replace procedure. So the first thing that I have ordered from them comes in this very cute package. This is a table lamp. So this is our table lamp. It has a very cute panda over it, and it has this small and cute pencil holder, and this is how the lamp exactly works. Now this is a very small and cute lamp, and I really want to add this on my study desk. It's very beautiful, and the best part is the pencil holder that it has here, and it's chargeable. It comes with a cable which goes in here, and then you can connect it to a power source and charge it whenever you want to. The second product that I ordered from this brand is this space themed zipper. Now I was wanting to buy a zipper since a very long time, and finally when I saw the Magic Trunks ad on my Instagram, I was really fascinated seeing this product. This was in 2 colors if I'm not wrong, one black and one white, but I really like the black one. It has a whole space theme going on here, a planet, a few stars, and even an astronaut. I think it looks very cute. It comes with a straw, and yeah, this is the inside of it. Cannot wait to try it out. The next and a very cute product that I ordered from this brand is this. This is a mini alarm clock. I know it's very mini, but I found it very cute, so I thought of ordering it. This is available in a lot of different colors, but I'm a fan of this color, so I ordered this. Okay, so this comes with a cell. The brand has sent this cell, so I've just fitted this cell inside, and the watch has started working. Now let me quickly adjust the time. Okay, so we have adjusted the time, and this is how the clock looks. It has another dial for you to set your alarms, And yeah, that is about it. I think it's really cute. Do let me know what do you think about it. Next product that I've ordered from this brand is this LED message light box. So I had seen this particular thing on a lot of Instagram pages, and even a lot of YouTubers had it on their backdrop. So I was really fascinated to try this product out, and finally when I saw it on the page of this brand, I had to buy it. So this is the light box. It comes with a cable which is to be fitted here, and the other side is to be attached to an adapter and fitted into a light source. You also get these letters and numbers, and arranging it on this particular box to get your desired message written on it. It also comes with a few emojis right here, so you can even add these cute emojis in your messages. And now, without talking a lot, let's quickly give this a try. Okay, so the last brand that I want to talk about in this whole video is Amore Creatives. So I actually didn't buy very recently from this brand, but this brand sent me a few of their products. I am absolutely loving using the products of this brand, so I thought of sharing this brand with you guys. So they sent me a few notebooks. One of them is this, which has YouTube written on it, and I plan all my YouTube content in this notebook, and the paper quality here is very amazing, and I still use this notebook to write all of my YouTube ideas. Also, these guys sent me a few greeting cards which have a few doodles over it, and these are very cute. And also, this is a bigger notebook that these guys sent me, and you guys can clearly see how much have I used this notebook. I'm absolutely loving this notebook, and this is my go-to notebook for jotting down all my ideas, all the thoughts that I have in a particular day. On the days that I cannot journal, I write my thoughts in this particular notebook, and I absolutely love using it. So make sure you check this brand out as well. If you are a stationery fan and you want to buy notebooks or greeting cards, you can definitely check this brand out. All the links of the products and the brands that I've mentioned in this video will be mentioned in the description. So if you are a fan of these cute, pretty little things like I have ordered, you can definitely check all the stores out in the description. Now this is it from my side. These were all the products that I've ordered from Instagram. Do let me know what did you like the most out of all of these products, and do let me know if you want me to do more such videos. I'll be happy to do them. And thank you so much for watching this video till the end. I will see you in my next one. Till then, stay safe, stay happy, and bye bye.